much for being here and watching. Today we're opening up my May Boxycharm base box. So today we're going to do an unboxing. I try on some of the items, and then at the end of the video I will do a quick review of last month's item. Spoiler, I only kept one item, so kind of tells you that last month wasn't amazing for me. But anyways, I will leave Boxycharm's website down below if you're interested in checking them out or subscribing. The base box costs $25 per month. I believe we're supposed to get at least $125 in value. If you're new here, hi, my name is Kitty. I do unboxings pretty much every single day here on our channel. I would love if you subscribed and joined us. But anyways, let's get started. So there was not a card in here, but I did pull up my virtual insert card or whatever they call it, and I have variation number 16. I'm opening this box up pretty late, but just in case anyone's still waiting, I have my dimensions and stuff like that. So my box is 0.9 pounds or 0.41 kilograms, and the dimensions are 9 by 7 by 3 inches. There was some foam in here, I believe, that I took out when I got it. So in all of the Boxycharm subscriptions, you get to customize one item, and for my base box this month, I customized it with the Elemis Dynamic Resurfacing Facial Pads, and you get 60 in here. Mine came kind of dirty, but on the inside it was all okay. So I did film myself using this after I got out of the shower and washed my face today. So I do like this product so far. There is fragrance in it, but I didn't really notice a smell until I just went and took a sniff right now. So this has a retail value of $59. So this is expensive. Elemis in general is an expensive skincare brand. And on the handout it says, dynamic resurfacing facial pads are powered by Elemis's patented tri-enzyme technology combined with a mild lactic acid and probiotic ferment complex to gently yet effectively smooth the skin, revealing a visibly luminous complexion. So this is formulated with lactic acid, which is a gentle exfoliator, an AHA or alpha hydroxy acid, and I actually just started using lactic acid at night. I have the Sunday Riley Good Jeans. I used it last night, but they said this is safe enough to use or gentle enough to use twice daily, so I think I will just be using this during the day, and I'll just monitor my skin to see how it does. I'm experienced with exfoliating, so I think it should be fine. If you've never used chemical exfoliators on your face, I would maybe start off every other day with this, but what it does, it just helps remove dead skin cells on your face, and it can help reduce fine lines and any discoloration, and it can even help with acne. So lactic acid I think is a great product. I wish this wasn't formulated with fragrance, but Elemis seems to put fragrance in all of their items, so I try and only use 1 or 2 fragrant skincare items in my routine, so I'll have to pay attention to what I use this with. Some people are fine using fragrances on their face, but it can become sensitizing, or you can eventually start getting irritated by it. I personally do get irritated by fragrance. Even if I use fragrance in my laundry detergent, my skin gets really irritated, so I try and avoid it on my face. But yeah, so I am happy to have this and test it out. Like always, I will review this more in depth at the end of my video next month. One item I did not try out today is by Daily Concepts, and this is their shampoo bar. So it's plant-based vegan shampoo bar. It's cruelty-free. It says your hair will love the Daily Concepts shampoo bar. This plant-based shampoo bar is everything you need for clean, beautiful hair with no plastic. A simple bar for beautiful hair without filling the oceans or landfills with more plastic bottles. So I love the idea of shampoo bars. I have yet to use one. I have received some in the past, but I think I passed them on. I only wash my hair every 5 days or so, so I love how this comes. It has a little thing here so you can put your fingers through it and you just massage this bar on your scalp, I guess. It smells very herbally, like essential oils or something like that. Let's see what's in it. Yeah, it has herbal extracts, rosemary, avocado, sage, birch. Yeah, very earthy smell, so I don't know if this will be for everyone. I currently have several shampoos open, so I'm not sure when I will get to this or if I will pass this on. Let's see how much this costs. So this is $24. I do think it's cool they include this in the box because I'm all about being more eco-friendly. We're gonna talk about another item in just a moment that's in this box that isn't the most eco-friendly, but hey, at least they're trying with this item. So $24, that's expensive for a shampoo, kind of. It's mid-range, I would say. So this plant-based shampoo is everything you need for clean, beautiful hair with no plastic. So it pretty much says the same thing on the handout. So yeah, I don't know what I'll do with this product, but I think it's cool they included it. So the item I was referencing that wasn't the most eco-friendly is some makeup remover wipes. I swear, ever since I made a comment about how I'm trying not to use makeup remover wipes because of the like eco factor to it, so like it's just so wasteful, like each wipe. So I try and only use them if I really need them, like if I'm traveling on the go, which I'm not really doing, or if I'm just so lazy at nighttime. But I've been getting them a lot lately. So anyways, this is by AM Beauty Care. I don't think I've ever heard of this brand before. It's a Dead Sea and Minerals and Vitamin C Serum Makeup Remover Wipes. It says it removes even waterproof mascara, and there's 25 of them in here. So I did some swatches on my arm today for a palette we'll talk about in a moment, and I did use these wipes to remove them, and they did a great job. So that's good, but it does have this very strong like fragrance. It smells like soap, and I'm not one that's sensitive to fragrances, but it was really strong. Like I had it just sitting on my table, like I have it right here, and I can like still smell it. Like it's not a bad smell, like soap doesn't smell bad to me, but it's very strong. So this is supposed to also prevent dark spots while moisturizing and brightening your skin. If you're using these makeup wipes to clean your makeup off, I recommend using a cleanser afterwards, because a lot of makeup wipes can leave like a residue on your skin. So these makeup remover wipes are $17, and on the handout it says these Dead Sea Minerals and Vitamin C Serum Makeup Remover Wipes help prevent dark spots while moisturizing and brightening the skin. They remove all traces of makeup without causing irritation, leaving the skin hydrated and luminous. Designed for all skin types, including sensitive and dry skin. So the palette I was talking about was the Studio Makeup Ease to Wear Eyeshadow Palette, and I have that on my eyes today, so you will see clips of me trying this out. So it is a very neutral eye palette, but I actually do like it. I only used 3 shades on my eyes today. I was gonna try and use as many as possible, but then I thought, you know, I should just do a look that's realistic. I like to do just quick eye looks, so I really do like how my eyes look today. So I used this shade Bare in my crease. And it actually was a lot more pigmented on my eyes than the swatch, so I was really impressed with that. I only had to go in once, and it blended out fine. And then after I did that in the crease area, I went in with the shimmer shade Gilded, and I just packed that on all over my lid. At first I thought I would have to use my finger, but it did build up nicely with the brush. And then on my inner corner, I used the shade Sheen, and I kind of put that on like the inside of my eye as well as the inner corner, and I really like how this looks. So I think some people might not be very excited to get this palette, but I do like this. And yeah, I'll try out the other shades and I'll have to get back to you guys next month, but let's see how much this cost. Apparently this brand has been featured in a Boxycharm a long time ago. I think there was like a cool tone palette some people have gotten. I did not receive that, but I did hear some people talk about that. So this palette is $35, and it says the Studio Makeup Ease to Wear Eyeshadow Palette displays a versatile color scheme complementing all skin tones for the creation of countless natural and glam looks. This all day and all night creamy smooth eyeshadow texture glides on and blends with ease, providing true color coverage in a single stroke. Like I said, for the shimmers it was more than a single stroke, but I do think this applied really well. And using a brush to apply the shimmers, I didn't get any fallout, which can happen, so that is great. So yeah, I like it, and I think I will continue to use it because lately I've been really liking a more like neutral eye and a bolder lip, so I think this could work out well with that. And I love that it actually performed better on my eyes than swatches. That is rare in my experience. Now the last item, I did try a little bit today. I don't know why I even tried it, I shouldn't have. It's a concealer by Pristiq. It's their Conceal, Cover, and Correct Crayon. And I got it in the shade Bisque, which clearly was not going by my profile because this is so dark, you guys. I'm hoping my mom wants it since I tried it out. I can't really like give it away, you know, but there's double-sided, so one end is the concealer stick and then there is a little blending brush on the other. Pristiq products tend to have that double-sided feature, which I think is great, but yeah, I tried to use this on some pimples. I definitely knew I couldn't use it under my eyes, but it made my pimples look worse. It like made them look more like pink or orange. Like, I don't know why I even tried it, like I said. So I would have loved to get this concealer stick if it was in a shade that worked for me. Like, did they just send out the same shade to everyone? Because like, I am a fair, and I know in my complexion quiz that Boxycharm sent out a while ago, I put my like correct shades. Like, they even asked you to put in like foundation matches, like so what you actually use so they could match whatever they send to that. But this is like 6 shades too dark. Like, if you guys received this item, did you guys also get bisque, or did they send it to you based on your profile? Because like, this can only work for like medium skin tones, I would think. Like, I don't know. But yeah, that's a bummer this did not work out. But hopefully it'll work for my mom. She's a lot tanner than I am. So this is $24, and it says, finally, you can have extra smooth, easy glide application with full flexible coverage and a lightweight feel. The ultra creamy, long-lasting formula takes coverage and correction to a new level. So yeah. So that is everything that came in my box. Overall, it was okay. I think it was better than last month, which we'll talk about in just a moment. I will definitely use the Elemis skincare item and get back to you guys on that. And I did like the palette. I was actually pleasantly surprised by the palette. I kind of wish that we would get less makeup remover wipes, so I think I will just continue to use this to remove swatches when I'm filming and stuff like that. So I'll keep them here in my beauty room. And I love that they sent out the shampoo bar. So I guess these like cancel each other out in like eco-friendly aspect. So yeah, that is everything. Let me add up the total of the box. So I feel like we did get a good value. So my total retail value for my box is $159. But yeah, that is everything. I'd love to know what you guys got. I'm honestly not like super impressed by Boxycharm lately. I feel like Ipsy has been doing well this month, but Boxycharm, I'm just like, you know, it's fine, but it's not like the most exciting. So yeah, I'd love to hear your thoughts down below. So last month I did actually get a card in my Boxycharm and not the like virtual insert card. And I received variation 31, and like I hinted at earlier, I only kept one item, and I'm honestly not impressed with the item I kept. So I received Benefit Cosmetics primer, and Benefit Cosmetics is not cruelty free, so I passed it on. Then I received this Zoeva eyeshadow palette, the only item I kept. I used it in that video. And I've never used Zoeva before, so I was excited to use it, but this palette is just so boring. I've only used it once since the try-on video, or my unboxing video last month, and I've been, like I said, I think I said this, I've been liking a like lighter eye and a bolder lip, so I was like, oh, this will be good for that, but I just don't really like the lighter shimmer shades in here. I mean, it's not awful, it's not like they perform bad, but I just don't see myself using this a lot, especially after the palette I received today. I feel like for a neutral eye, I will definitely go for that over this. The performance of the palette we received today by, what's the brand again? Studio Makeup, I think is better than Zoeva. So yeah, I don't know how I feel about Zoeva. Have you guys tried Zoeva palettes before? Because I thought this was just like, meh. You know, I'm okay with neutral palettes, but yeah, I'm not loving that. And then I received a liquid highlight, the iconic London Illuminator. I know myself and that I won't ever use liquid highlight, so I pass it on. There's a 5-piece brush set. I love getting brushes, but I have so many, I thought someone else would like that more. And then I received lashes, and I don't wear lashes. I tried, I failed, it ruined my makeup. I'm just not, I mean, I could totally benefit from wearing lashes since I have very sparse light lashes, but that's not for me, so I pass it on. So yeah. Very quick review, because last month, April, the Boxycharm base box was pretty much a fail for me, which is unfortunate. Luckily this month's a little bit better, but I really would have loved this month if they actually sent me a concealer in my shade. I would have been so excited about that, but if my mom will get use out of it or someone else, that'll make me happy. But anyways, that's it for today. Thank you guys so much for being here and unboxing this with me. I hope you're all safe and healthy. I love you so much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.